Okay, welcome guys. Welcome to our fifth daily video watch list. This one will be kind of special because we are not sending more signals this week because obviously week has finished. So we will going through all the all the signals we went through last week. I mean this week, and a few possible setups for next week. And of course, make you guys understand why I sent the GBP signals earlier today, okay? So let's get to it. First, we will go through our first signals for the week, how they played, why we took profit, and how they went, okay? First, we got our, let me check real quick. First, we got the GBPCHF. Okay, GBPCHF. We got it. It was a nice setup. It went deep in profit, but it just hit our stop loss or profit stop loss. And let me explain you why. Okay, and this is a possible setup for next week. Right here we got an entry here after the structure. Remember the analysis I sent? We got an entry here. It went down. It went down 146 pips, 150 pips. And after hitting the 1-on-1 risk reward ratio, we move our stop loss to this area. Right here. Stop loss was right above here. At this area, right above previous structure. He hit that stop loss, making us close for like 60 pips. We still closing profit, and then it went back down. That's why I still think it's a nice possible setup for next week. Because if you can see, if we zoom in, let me zoom in a little bit. If we zoom in, this pair, we got this structure. We got this structure right here. We got this big previous structure that is where we got in. In price, yesterday it just went back up, but it retested the bottom of the structure right here. Let me clean this a little bit, okay? Price went back up, retested the bottom of the structure right here. Daily, and that this bottom is also daily support. That is now resistance. As you can see, it retested it perfectly. This is zone. It's a daily resistance right now in the bottom of the structure. And went back up, retested that area, and then boom, went back down. Left a big shadow, left a big wick behind, indicating a lot of seller pressure. And after rejecting, price just closed it right below this another daily support, this daily resistance right here. And right now I'm just waiting for maybe a candle confirmation, and for a candle confirmation and a clear break of this trend line, of this counter trend line, okay, in the lower time frames, to maybe get in and close below that trend line and close below this previous 4-day candles lows, below this, to confirm the continuation of the downtrend. We also got for this pair, I think it's a 61.5 right here. Let me see. That lines up with the bottom of the structure, the mentioning structure. Let me see. Swing low, swing high. It's 68. I think it was from here. Swing high, swing low. Yeah, right here. Yeah. We took this one. The swing high to swing low, and we get the 61. The 61 field retracement, and that lines up with the bottom of the structure in that daily resistance. And that after hitting that 61 level, we got that big wave, big shadow. So that's why I see a very potential continuation of the downtrend. Maybe we can go short next week, but we will see. Like I said, I'm still waiting for those confirmation before sending the signal. Okay. But we banked a lot. We had a good trade. We banked 60 pips. Trade hit our 0.5 risk reward ratio stop loss, which is good. Also, guys, remember to read the guide we just posted on the group, where we explain you how to play with the signal, how to always make sure that that your trade is gonna close in profit in case the price retraces, right? Make sure to read that step by step. If you don't understand something, don't hesitate to DM us, send us a message to me or the support team. We are always here to help you guys. The idea here is to make money and learn. Okay, let's move to the next pair. We got Euro GBP. Euro GBP. This trade, that was my mistake, because I sent the buy signal right now. Okay, right now I'm going to send a sell signal. I'll explain you guys in a few. That was my mistake because I thought the price. I thought price was going to close above this previous structure bottom. That also is a daily resistance. I thought daily candle wasn't even closing, and I thought they was going to close above it because in the lower time frame price was closing right above that area. But that was my mistake for rushing things and don't wait for a daily close below this, and that's what happened. Price closed. That's when I say close it below negative minus 25 pips. And now I see a very, very clear and simple setup. We got this trend line to go in short, of course. We got this descending trend line, retester touch, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D pattern. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This also lines up the 4 touch with this 61 retracement. And we got the close, retest and close below previous structure, which is important, confirming that the pullback has ended and failed to break above this to continue to form a new bullish trend. And right now it just went down, and right now price closed perfectly below this level 61. Of course, we got from this swing high, swing low, and right now we draw this counter trend line. Price broke it. If we go to a 4-hour chart, you can see how price broke it and retested it perfectly to confirm continue this possible downtrend that is forming, and we will have a good risk reward ratio. We got this. Let me show you. We got a nice risk reward ratio for this trade. I will place it. Let's make it real quick, guys. I will send a swing trade and a day trade for this pair. We got our entry here. Our stop loss will be here. Let me place some favorite extensions to see what our targets will be for the day trade and the swing trade. Day trade and swing trade. Okay. We got our 61, 78. First target for a swing trade, or first target would be here. I will fully take profit here. First target would be this one with this line. First target, let's place a little bit higher. Second target, place a little bit higher. And third target. Third target, and if we, as you can see, guys, our risk reward ratio is nice, very, very nice. It will be 1.5 risk reward ratio, 83 stop loss for a possible 400 pip drop. All depends. Even if we aim for the second target, which is 200 pips, You're still having a nice 1 to 68 risk reward ratio. So right here, I will send the signal, and we will be monitoring as the price goes. I will keep you guys updated if we're going to close or if we're holding everything. Okay, remember, if you follow the rules and the guide we just posted, you should be good. Even if the trade doesn't hit the third target in retrade, you should be getting 100 pips if the price goes the way it's supposed to go. Okay, so that's for every GBP. Nice trade. I'm about to send it. If you're watching the video, get in. It's a nice setup, simple and clear. Now let's move into Euro NCD. Okay. This trade was a good, very good setup. I mean, all confirmation were there. Remember, I sent it. We went through it on the beginning of the week, I think, and everything was there. The confirmation, retested trend line, retested structure, 38, retested an impulse, 38 that lines up with the bottom of the structure. But sometimes it just happens. Price just get overextended, and you see price hit our stop loss. We placed the stop loss right above this daily resistance. Got overextended, hit it, and then went back down. It just happens sometimes, guys. We can't win them all. It just happens. Okay, but this is good because it gives me a nice feeling that the setup was good. We got overextended price that hit us stop loss, but the setup was good and it's still playing as expected. And the setup is still good and valid, and we might get in again. Oh, we send the signal. We just send the signal, yeah. Price retested, failed, left this big wick, trend line, and broke this counter trend line, retested 68.38, left the big wick right below the 38 that lines up with this structure and bottom of the structure that also is a daily resistance. We got this big shadow here, so it's a strong support. Price just got overextended. If we go to the weekly, we will see just a big wick right below this daily resistance and 38. You see, big wick. Price gonna drop. I'm 100% sure. This might drop. We lost a few pips on this, but we will get him back. Don't worry. It's still same target, same entry. We will get in like the same entry. Aim for like 350 pips. That's the minimum. I would say a minimum of 200 pips for this pair. We will hold it for like 7, 8 to 10 days. But it's a nice pair. Get in. Of course, remember proper risk management and apply the guide we just sent. Okay. Then we got this. Which one? Oh, GBPJPY. Okay, we got GBPJPY. GBPJPY. Let's go to daily time frame. GBPJPY is beautiful how technical analysis plays. You see, we got this structure. We got in right here, I think, below the. We got in here, and then price went up. Let's go to 4-hour chart. We can see a little bit clear. We got in here, I think, right here. We got in after this candle. And then boom, price went up. We banked because we made money out of this. We made like 70 pips, I think. 70 pips before price dropped. And it just left a big wick right on the daily resistance. And of course, making the price drop. So right now I'm waiting for price to, because we got in again. And it is just retesting this daily support. It retesting. I'm waiting if price can leave a big shadow. can leave a big shadow. I'll retest the 61 level, then go back up and keep holding right above this trend line and right above this previous structure resistance support. Resistance support. And if we can do that, we can still see this pair go to this area. Name for 100, 143. First 100 pips, small stop loss. Then here, and then here. 350, 30, 330 pips, 330 pips. It's a good setup, but I'm still waiting. And if we can get an extra confirmation, so maybe we can add another 1% to the trade. Now I'm going to go through GBP USD, which is I would say that is my favorite pair right now. Even if price just went back down today, because it just went back down in the lower time frames. In the higher time frames, price still showing signs that it's going up. I mean, like right here, what I took this trade, what I sent the signal again today, because it's simple, guys. We got this, and for the first signal, we banked like 64 pips. Got 64 pips, and as you can see, we go to the 4-hour chart. You can see how price formed our left shoulder, then hit at this head is a double bottom right here, first, second, and then boom. After touching the resistance, price went back down, left a big shadow, and boom. It is forming a right shoulder right on this 38 level from this low, swing low to this swing high, and this PRS zone. If price managed to close right above this 38, the following candles, it means that price is still going up, because in daily time frame we still got all the confirmation as I told you guys this week. Got this trend line retest, we got this structure retest in the weekly daily time frame, which is a strong, super strong level. Broke this daily counter trend line. So it's just retesting. I think it's just retesting. Let's see. We got the moving average too. So this is a possible good trade. Also, this way, if we can get this price holding is about 38 level. Okay. Now we will move into this old trade we still holding. Gold AUD we still holding. Let me go through that very quick. Gold AUD, we got this beautiful. I seen the signal. You guys remember I told you guys that this candle was a beautiful formation. Beautiful formation after retesting the structure level, after retesting forming right above the 61 level. That's what we got in here. Now price went back up and haven't gone up that much, but it's still 149 pips. No, 95 pips. So I would recommend you guys take some profit here and move your stop loss to 1 to 0.5 risk, as the guys say, and take some profit here. Okay, we got this. I'm aiming and waiting. We got also, as you can see, I just said we got this Burton and shoulder in the lower time frames. Beautiful how it's playing. We're still holding. As I said, you can take some profit here. I would recommend you guys, because here we got a kind of important level, resistance level. So I would recommend take some profit, move your stop loss to 0.5 risk reward ratio. So you can, if in case price retraces, you can bank the half of the money you're already winning in at this moment. Okay, let's move into USDR. That trade hit our stop. Haven't hit our stop loss. We're still holding. USDR, still holding that trade. We're still holding. No. USDR, it closed at break even, right? Yeah, the one we still holding is USDJPY. Of course, that's the one we're holding. USDJPY is beautiful. We enter right here at the retest. As I said before, we enter at the retest of this big support, daily support, weekly support. And we're still holding. Probably haven't touched any type of level, take profit level. And we're still holding, guys. Gold AUD, GBP AUD. Here's some loss. I thought, guys, I really thought that price was going to break this, but it couldn't. As you can see, remember in the last video I said like this price was showing signs of rejection to this daily resistance, but it broke above it, and you can see it retested it, went back up, and now it's holding right above it. So right now this I'm out of this trade. We lost a few pips. It's not that much if you use proper risk management. And right now I'm not seeing any possible setup for this pair right now. We also got the NCD USD trade. We see holding that, and we just said the Euro NCD, the sell we told you. Okay, so of course, let me go through gold because I received a lot of DMs about gold. I'm about to send the signal. Believe me, I'm about to send the signal. Price is showing beautiful signs of the same as the gold AUD trade. You can see how price forming this beautiful candle here right above the retest of this daily week, this multi-monthly support, which is at the same time a retest to the previous high. Price forming new highs and just kept holding above it. We might see the signal. I was waiting. I said in the video before, I mean maybe the third video watch list, that I was starting to looking for longs after price could close right above this daily. Let me show you real quick this daily resistance, and it did. Right now it's have closed above it. So we might get in, not today. Let's wait how at Monday how price opens, because there's no point getting in now. Market's gonna close in 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys like it, this new dynamic, and see you guys next week.